gotta change your rear indicator bulbs. It should come up on the dash, as you can see on your fuel. But yeah, how you will know your indicators are faulty, when you indicate, you will see, look how fast the faulty one will blink compared to the non-faulty one. So it's basically out of sync. But you can see this one's blinking fast, this one is on, and if we go over to the rear, nothing is happening. So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab yourself a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to want to just pop these tabs right here. They should just wiggle out of place. So I'm going to put the camera down and show you guys once it's off. That's how they look. So you should, to make it easier, you can just pry it off until you have it open like that. Grab yourself a little plier and just grab the top piece and pull it right off gently. I'm going to do the last one and then show you how the headlight comes off. Okay, so once you have those two clips out, the headlight basically just pops out with a little bit of, you know, love and a little tug. It'll come right off. So you can go ahead and just unclip all the connections just to make it easier for yourself, so you can work with the tail light alone. On the tail lights, as you can see, they have these signs here that say remove, with an arrow that shows you which way to turn it. All of them have that sign. As you can see over there, it says remove, and there's an arrow showing you to turn it that way. So I believe this is the indicator. And what I just did, not, you literally need no force. You just grab you some pliers, pinch it just below the connection and twist it towards that side. It will literally just slide right off. I'm just going to double check if this is my indicator bulb. I think these might be my hazards, or I'm not sure. Let me just check. Once you got it out, it will all look something like this, and you should basically just pull it right off, replace it with your new one, push it back in, turn it clockwise to lock it in, and yeah, let me just do that quickly and I'll get back with you when it's done. Okay, so we're back from the store. We got our new bulb, literally the last one in the store. So this is the new one. That's the old one, I know, because the new one is white and the old one is fully orange at the bottom. So that's how I don't get them mixed up. But now that we have the correct bolt, I'm just going to remove everything again and fit the new one in. Okay, now that we got it out, same thing. We're just going to grab our pliers, come through here, twist it anti-clockwise, and we'll slide out. And we're going to slip the new one in, and I'll be back when I get that done. Okay, that's the final look with the bulbs on, and as you can see, it is working now. And our indicator is now in sequence. It's not, you know, as I showed you in the beginning. So that's how you replace your bulb on a Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2.